I'll be teaching you about the law of cause and effect, the law of karma. The law of cause and effect, which is the law of karma, which states that every action has a reaction. Now listen, everything that you do, say, and believe shapes your life to a certain direction. Everything that you do, say, or believe will come back to you. It shapes your life. Like whatever that you say will come back to you in a different day, in a different time. Listen, whatever that you do to others will come back to you. So listen, it starts from the cause. What is the cause? The cause is the mind. Whatever that happens inside your mind, it happens in a mental plane where everything starts. Before you think about having or going to a vacation, you had an idea, which is a cause. You are not yet on the vacation, but you are still thinking of going to the vacation. That's the cause, which is your mind. So everything starts in your mind. That's where the cause starts. Therefore, whenever you are now saving money, you are now applying action. You understand? You are applying action. Therefore, whenever you're going to the vacation, that's the final dream or desired reality. But it started from the mind, which was the cause. That's why it is the law of cause and the law of effect, which